Hey guys, this is my first video and in this video I am going to show you how to make this beautiful mechanical pencil. For this you would need a triangular mechanical pencil, a scissor, some beads to stick on it and some beautiful tapes. So let's get started. Now for this you would have to use this beautiful tape. You can use any of your choice and stick it on the top of your mechanical pencil. Now take some another beautiful tape and stick it on your mechanical pencil in this way. Stick two more for two more sides. I have already cutted this measurements. You would have to cut first and then stick it on the right side. Stick it nicely so that your tape doesn't come up again. Now take your beads and stick on it. First I am going to stick it over here so that it looks pretty. Now I would like to stick two on each side of the triangular mechanical pencil. Don't worry if it doesn't stick on it. Apply some gum on it and then stick this on your beautiful mechanical pencil. And ta-da! Your beautiful mechanical pencil is ready now. Bye guys!